hope all is well. Today I will be unboxing something Evil Twin. So if you like the types of videos where I unbox authentic to Evil Twin items, like today, Evil Twin, I DIY, compare bags and review on bags plus more, then please like and subscribe and just hit that bell. And if you want to talk fashion style, then DM me on my Instagram at TCP_luxury. What did I get today? I got some Chanel, and it included a shopping bag, which is really pretty. Here it is. Cute Chanel box with the flower, the camellia flower. So adorable. In it, let's just open her up. Let's get to it. Let's not dilly-dally. Box is in wonderful condition. This seller is always amazing. Open her up. Here it is. Okay. It includes paperwork, which some of you love. Okay. And receipts. More paperwork to your heart's content. And here's the bag. And there's a tissue. Here's a dust bag. It's nice cotton, and the drawstrings are wonderful. Here it is. And it's all wrapped up, and we'll just open her up at this point. It is the small top handle bag. I wanted this color. I am into this color right now. Still a summer to fall transition bag or color. See that color? So pretty. Oh my God, this bag, I haven't opened it yet, so obviously, just look at the top handle. Look at that detail. Look at the stitching there. It's a really beautiful bag. See, this doesn't have any protector, which is great because I don't want to take it apart. And the other side, I don't even know what that says. I won't try to mingle it. But that's what it has. And I already showed that to you. The front. Here's the side. There's the back. It's so cute and small. They have larger sizes, but you know, people, I'm into what I'm into. I love small bags. And I am petite. I'm 5'4", so it's probably why I love small bags. So it has this felt for protector, and I will keep that. Here is the inside. There is the insignia, and that is correct. This should be on that side, that should be on that side. It either will be a star, which is like this star screw, or the straight, I forget what it's called, forgive me, but it smells really good. Leather. Here, oh, here's the strap. We'll look at that in a second. There's some more paperwork in here. Side. It includes this. I already showed this to you, but let's just take it out for fun. And that's how they should look. Yes, it's an Evil Twin. And here is the inside. I'm not gonna break the bag just to show you, but just to give you an idea, it has a little zip here. The zip does say Chanel and CC on the other side. And inside there's more. Sticker is here, and it does match. It's right there. It does match the card. And then there's this other like little CC there. I've never seen that. And I will put the authenticity card in there. Put this inside there for fun. So there's a little tiny little slip pocket here for, like, I don't know, put little cards and whatnot, money, receipts, and it has 2 little pockets in there, compartments. It's really cute. I am loving the bag. It's so tiny. And strap time. Strap time. Here it is, strap. Let's just pull it out that way. And I love the foam protectors. Don't ask me why. Just like it. I like doing this. Strap. Here is a beautiful strap. Each clasp has the double C's. Not adjustable. So, this is a really cute bag. It looks more traditional, but you know, you gotta give love to traditional looking bags. And there it is. Just, you know, I'm 5'4", and it hits me like right below my waist, which is fine. It's a cute bag. I'm actually in love with it. I didn't think I was gonna love it this much. Honestly, when I saw the pre-loved photos, I was like, oh, it's gonna be okay, but oh my goodness, it's a beautiful color. This color is really pretty. It's almost a terracotta color, but a little more on the brown side, like me. I'm a little on the brown side. Anyway, everybody, I hope you enjoyed. I'm super happy with this bag. Quality is amazing. The leather is great. It is caviar leather. I can go on and on about this beautiful little bag. Anyway, have a wonderful day and talk to you soon. Bye.